In this video, let's take a closer look at Gamma AI, the tool that's changing how we create presentations, documents, and web pages. If you've ever struggled with designing slides or formatting your content, this review might just introduce you to your new favorite AI assistant. So, what exactly is Gamma AI? It's an AI-powered platform that lets you turn plain text into beautiful professional presentations instantly. You simply type or paste your content, and Gamma automatically designs it into visually appealing slides with a clean layout, images, and formatting. No need to worry about templates, fonts, or spacing. Gamma does it all for you. One of the best things about Gamma is its simplicity. You don't need to be a designer to create something that looks polished. Everything is editable, from colors and fonts to layout and flow. Plus, the interface is so user-friendly that even beginners can create professional presentations in just minutes. Another impressive feature is AI-powered rewriting. Gamma helps you refine your ideas, adjust your tone, and make your message clearer. It's also perfect for collaboration. You can share your decks, get feedback, and make changes in real time, just like in Google Docs. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: Gamma saves time, produces stunning results, and requires zero design skills. It's ideal for business owners, freelancers, and students who want quick professional slides. Cons: the free version has some limitations, and while the AI designs are great, they may not always match your exact creative vision. So, is Gamma AI worth it? Definitely, if you value speed, design, and simplicity. It's one of the easiest ways to create visually impressive presentations without spending hours editing slides. Overall, Gamma AI is a game changer for anyone who creates content regularly. Whether you're pitching a project, presenting to a class, or sharing ideas online, this tool makes it fast, smart, and stress-free. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what tool you want me to review next.